Welcome back to the channel. Of course, we've seen quite a lot of volatility in the market recently. We even saw a token get rugged by 90%, which is a mantra, but we still have quite a stable market in terms of the market cap being around $2.7 trillion at the moment for all crypto assets combined together. Now, in this video, we're looking at 5 coins that you can potentially get your hands on at a lower price, which personally, I will be holding for the next 5 years. I'm not trying to get wealthy in a week. I'm not trying to, make money in a month. I'm trying to hold for a long time so I can actually make some generational wealth that might actually also be life-changing. So, of course, the first coin in this video is going to be Bitcoin, $84,000. It's down around 30% from the top. And you could argue that this might come down lower, but it's always better to buy Bitcoin personally, not financial advice, but during a fearful phase when there's fear in the market versus euphoria and extreme greed, because you're buying an undervalued area, right, of the market cycle. You're buying the token when there's fear in the market, which is usually a contrarian thing to do. And it takes a lot of guts to do so as well. Yes, I think Bitcoin can still come down to 50K, 60K, 70K, and maybe even in the worst case scenarios like $30,000. I mean, I highly doubt 30K again, to be fair, looking at things. It might be around 45, 50K, the next true bottom. But yeah, definitely for me, Bitcoin is another one I'll be, buying into, dollar cost averaging into as the price does come down. You can see it really hit a low of $74,000, and it's back in another broadening descending channel. So hopefully we do get another lift towards 100K soon, because we really need that in order to keep sustenance with this bull market right now. And my ape in territory when this does happen, hopefully, when we do go into a true bear market, which is going to be probably around 2026 summer or something like that. I still think we could go into my upside down blue cross, which is my ape in cross. And as soon as the price enters basically the lower portion of this, that's when I'm going to be aping into Bitcoin with like larger amounts, like real large amounts. So yeah, very, very excited to see what could happen. But yeah, Bitcoin is going to be, of course, number one. Maybe a bit boring, a bit bread and butter, but for me, it's one that I really wanted to discuss. So guys, make sure if you're trading out there and you want to get sign up bonuses and rewards, and also have no or little, basically as close to zero trading fees as possible, get signed up with KSEX down below. Just takes a few seconds. No KYC and globally accessible. We've also got Ethereum, 1.6K now for Ethereum. I did actually recently dollar cost average into Ethereum at $1,530. So I'm slightly up. I did buy quite a lot, to be honest. So I took a risk there, but I'm still seeing long-term potential. I'm looking through my telescope 3, 4, 5 years down the line, and I'm seeing this Ethereum right now at 1.6K, but through my little crystal ball, I'm then seeing Ethereum back to 3, 4, and hopefully one day $5,000. So yeah, bullish on Ethereum. Of course, the tip of the spearhead for the altcoin market, which is why I decided to buy more. Without Ethereum, simply nothing exists altcoin wise, and Ethereum has its runs up and down. And at the moment, of course, we don't have a meme mania, we don't have a bull market or an alt season, so even Ethereum itself is going to be on the downside of things. Next coin I'm buying into is Casper, because Casper was once upon a time at $5 billion market cap. It's now a $1.95 billion token, so it's down quite a lot. On the year, it's down massively, 36%. On the month, it's pretty much break even. On the week, it's actually back up at 23%, so looking a little bit better. Casper, beyond the block. Casper is the fastest open source, decentralized, and fully scalable layer 1 in the world. The world's first block DAG, a digital ledger enabling parallel blocks and instant transaction confirmation. So do a bit of research on the token if you don't know what it is, do some due diligence, but for me, it is one that I also like to buy in, especially during the more red and sort of gloomy parts of the market cycle. We can see it was at 20 cents at some point, actually hit an all-time high of over 20 cents, but then has tumbled down since. So this could be a nice sort of corrective layer. It's about 60% down from the top, and hopefully serves as a nice entry point for new people that want to hold the token, right? next up, we have a really cool token. But firstly, if you are looking for trading signals so you can make more money in this market, capitalize more crypto gains, you can see already on the screen, these are all the wins from all the traders, all the guys, the girls, they're making some massive gains. So yeah, look at that being 1,071%. If you want to get involved in trade signals, the Discord is down below. It's completely free, but you can also become a patron if you want to maximize all of the different things that you do get. Crypto Degen, just $4 per month. So check it out down below. It goes all the way up to Crypto Hunter, Crypto Warrior, Crypto Champion, and the top tier being a Crypto Legend, which will give you all of these benefits. You're going to get spot signals. You're going to get leverage signals, ultra early access. You're going to get early alpha. You're going to get a bunch of juicy stuff here, guys, which could help you hopefully go to the moon. Now, next coin is Salaxy, which has raised $30.2 million. Just yesterday, they raised $30 million, so they're going up pretty quick. One Sol X is $0.001696. You hit buy with crypto, and you can use these different wallets to actually buy some of the token. So we have Best Wallet, we have Wallet Connect, we have the MetaMask, we also have the Coinbase wallet over here. And in one day, 22 hours, 36 minutes, 47 seconds, the price of this token will indeed be going up again. Roadmap wise, pre-sale process is now, token generation event, bridge and listings will occur, and the Salaxy deployment. You can see tokenomically 138.046 billion coins exist. And this coin is all about scaling Solana. It helps scale and mitigate and basically reduce the pain points, the constriction points of the Solana chain, like lack of efficiency or performance, or network congestion, failed transactions, and scalability limitations. So these are all things which Salaxy is going to help create solution for and help solve as well. We can see they've got 70.9k followers. Just yesterday, I believe it was, they hit that $30 million raise, where of course they're talking about that and celebrating that massive $30 million win, which is just insane to see. Also, we've got Solana at $127.88. So this is the other coin that I'm looking to buy more of, because it did hit $265 in its recent run. Actually might have gone a little bit higher, 260 something, a little bit lower. I don't know. Either way, it was very, very close to that particular level. So yeah, I think, Solana at $127, down a lot from the top. For me, it's a buy-in. Yes, it could be risky. Yes, it can drop another 50%, right? I mean, this thing dropped massively once upon a time, but it was more of a political matter. But this is the absolute king when it comes to meme coins, degen sort of territory. I really do like Solana, built for mass adoption, really fast, great TPS, very secure as well, and super versatile. And highly interoperable at the same time. So there it is, folks. You have Bitcoin, Ethereum, Casper, Salaxy, link is down below as well. If you want to research this token, please never risk more than you can afford to lose, not financial advice. And we also have Solana over here. Before we go, do consider subscribing. Also, get yourself signed up to KSEX as well. You can enjoy literally no fees, no withdrawal fees, centralized, no KYC, globally accessible. Don't know what else you could seriously ask for or want or need. And hopefully see you in the Discord channel. We've got 37,700 members. We want to get more. Bye for now. Have a wonderful day. We shall see you very, very soon. Peace.